Now let us see the apparatus required for the determination of bulk density of the aggregate. Cylindrical metal measures of 3 liter, 15 liter or 30 liter capacity chosen depending upon the size of the aggregate to be tested. Tamping rod of 16 mm dia and 60 cm long, rounded at one end. A balance of 0.5% of weight of sample to be weighed. Now let us see the procedure how this bulk density of aggregate is determined. Select the capacity of the cylindrical metal measure to be used depending upon the size of the aggregate basing on the IS recommendation shown in the table for determination of bulk density of aggregates. As you can see in the table, the sample now selected passes through the 40 mm sieve and retained on 4.75 mm sieve. The corresponding metal measure for determination of bulk density is 15 liter capacity, whose inside diameter is 25 cm and whose inside height is 30 cm. Thickness of wall of measure is 4 mm. Now this metal measure is selected. Now the measure shall be filled with the metal in about 3 different layers, each being tamped with tamping rod for 25 times. Here this tamping is for best possible naturalization of orientation of aggregate particles, not for compaction. After filling, level the surface of the filled measure neatly to flush with the sides of the measure. Now weigh the sample of the aggregate filled in the measure and report the bulk density of aggregate as weight of sample of aggregates in the measure divided by its volume. Recommendations. The value of bulk density of aggregate thus found may be recorded on the right hand side of the M book for future reference during the quality control inspections and inspection by the other higher officers.